fuck. Is that any good? Here we are then, back on the DR125. So, I ordered some new levers, all shiny blue. They look pretty good. They were quite cheap. So I've replaced them and got the brakes bled. And I thought I'd show you. This is my little list so far, how much I've spent on it. Rear brake switch, brake pads, levers, battery, chain, £77 and a penny. So yeah, I bought a new chain, got the levers on. I haven't taken into account for oil. I've just, we had a brand new oil filter in the box when we got it, so I've done an oil change on it. That's the old stuff there, lovely, not much of it. So I took the screen off underneath here. So I took the drain plug off, then took this larger area off, and in there's a screen. I cleaned that as well. So that's got fresh oil in it. I think now what we'll do, I haven't messed around with the wiring because that's too much work. Yeah, so we've got new rear brake switch and spring in there. We've got the rear wheel off. We're going to put some new brake pads in the rear there. Got a battery up there. There's our brake pads. We've got a shiny, oh look at that. Oh, we've got a shiny new chain. There's the old levers. What else have we got? Oh yeah, look, I painted the battery with some like rust proofing paint, so I painted that. It's time we get it all back together, I think. Also, I've had a night on the wire wheel, cleaning up some of the bits. That's what that looked like beforehand, so that's definitely better. I cleaned all these up for reinstalling tomorrow. Just gonna have a clean up of that cog because that looks like shit. Install the brakes, and tomorrow we will ride it. Right, I finally got into it. So the wiring loom, all apart from this bit here, because I haven't changed this because I'm still not sure if that reg rec is working, so I've left that as is. All the wiring loom's all tidied up. I've tried out this canvas sticky wrap, tried that out. Everything is connected, battery tray is in place. All I've had to do is I put the front end on, and I realised I hadn't made a cable to go to the brake. So I've got this cable here to connect to the brake, to do the brake lights. Just got to get some clips for that in the morning. It is late at night now. So we have done all that. That's it, turns nicely in there. Let's move that out of the way so I don't get an elbow full of it. Brakes installed. I've got my wheel down here. Brakes there. Find all the parts for my rear axle. That's fine. Say so. Right, put the chain on, the rear brake linkage, connect the battery, check the rear brake light works. Indicator. So keep the other indicator. I can't see anything, so... Oh yeah, I can see that. Rear brake light. Cool. Let's oh yeah. Right, let's make up our front brake switch and check that out. I've got the front brake wired up. Let's try it out. See it from here. Oh yeah. We have a front brake as well now. Hoorah. So that's everything electrical working. Why does playing with the horn always make me laugh? I don't know why. Always makes me laugh. It's time to go on a fuel run. It's dark, it's raining, I don't care. We're going to get this running. Fuel run. Back with a fuel can after an adventure. La, 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 la. Let's start this bike. In there. Well, you saw, we checked the reg. That's definitely giving off some weird readings, so we're going to change that for the other one. I do have another issue in that the kill switch isn't working, so I'm going to have to investigate that. Everything else seems to be okay. So at the moment it's regulator rectifier, sort out the kill switch, and then put it back together and ride it. But that's going to be all for this video. I've got to get an exhaust pipe sorted, so I'm going to need a couple of days to sort a few bits out, so I thought I'd wrap this one up here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do it, it makes you cool. Just like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Take care.